In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change accounts in Project Sakai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be presenting the main ways to swap accounts and manage various different accounts on the same device, or how to swap the same account to a new device. So first, open Project Sakai and log into the main account. First, make sure that you back up this account. So you can do this by going over to the menu and then choosing account transfer while logged in. So you will have the two main options. You are able to link this account to Google Play, and then you have the option to transfer to a different operating system, which essentially is a new device. So let's say, for example, you have an iPhone that you want to play Project Sakai on. In order to transfer your current progress to that device, you use the secondary option. First, if you link it to Google Play, or usually the Game Center, I believe, for Apple, your account will be linked to that specific service. And by doing this, you will be able to keep your progress. Keep in mind that you can only have one linked account at a time. So as you can see, I get this warning, you have another account linked to Google Play. Do you want to unlink the previous account? I don't, so I'm gonna be canceling this. But if I did link it to Google Play, I would be able to use that service to simply log into this account. If I use the other option here, it is going to prompt me to create a password for this current account. By doing this, I can use the password and my ID to log into this account that I'm currently using on any other device. And I'm going to show you the full process later. Just going to create a password as an example. So you will get this window. Make sure that you don't close this down. I recommend taking a picture or a screenshot so you keep this safe. You can create a text document on your computer, on your laptop, or even on your Notes app. And once you have the transfer ID and the password noted down, copy them and you will be able to use these credentials to log into your account. So when you open Project Sakai again, before tapping to start, tap on these three dots here and go over to account transfer. And you will have the option to input your transfer ID and password that you copied. So essentially, you now have the login and password needed. And every single time that you want to swap accounts, you just have to input them here. So you will get this warning, you are about to link your account, any existing accounts will be overwritten, and that's okay, you can just tap link and then the transfer will be complete. Now you can use this account on the new device, and you will get this warning telling you that you have to obtain a new transfer ID and password from the same menu that I showed previously if you want to transfer it again. So just make sure to repeat these steps and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to change accounts in Project Sakai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.